Hey everyone, and if you've been checking your bank account hoping for just a little extra help, or scrolling through the news trying to figure out what's really going on with new stimulus checks and senior benefits, I need you to stay with me for this entire video. Because what I'm about to share affects millions of retirees and older Americans right now, and there are major updates that could directly impact your next Social Security payment. I've spent hours reviewing the latest official reports, IRS memos, and state policy updates, and I'm going to explain everything in simple, clear language. No political spin, no confusing jargon, just facts that matter to you. But before we dive into the numbers, I want to share something personal. A few years back, I spoke with a retired couple, Bob and Linda from Ohio. They told me how they'd worked all their lives, saved carefully, and yet somehow it still wasn't enough. Rising grocery bills, higher medical costs, and rent increases were eating up their Social Security checks faster than ever. Linda said something that stuck with me. "Elyze, it feels like the system forgot about people like us." That's why I started making these videos. Because when you're on a fixed income, you deserve straight answers about what help is really out there. And today, we finally have some important news. What's actually happening right now? Let's start with the truth. There's no brand new federal stimulus check going out to everyone like during the pandemic. But here's what is happening, and it's surprisingly good news for millions of seniors. There are multiple financial relief programs quietly rolling out through Social Security, SSI, the IRS, and several state-level initiatives. Depending on your income and situation, you could qualify for anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s in extra assistance. And what's most shocking, some of this money doesn't even require an application. I'll explain that part in just a minute. Why these programs exist? The government's focus has shifted. Instead of handing out broad pandemic relief, they're now targeting retirees, low-income Americans, and those hit hardest by inflation. They're finally admitting, we know prices are up. We know Social Security hasn't kept pace, and we're trying to fix that. These targeted relief efforts aim to help seniors handle higher utility bills, food costs, and housing expenses. And according to official policy briefings, this could include boosted state rebates, tax credits, and automatic benefit increases in the coming months. But wait until you hear which states are already sending money, and which ones could be next. That's coming up in less than a minute. Who qualifies for the new round of help? Let's break this down clearly. Seniors on Social Security, or SSI. You're already eligible for the 2025 COLA increase, and in some states, you could receive an additional relief check automatically. Veterans and surviving spouses. Certain VA settlement payments and benefit adjustments are already underway. Low-income families and retirees. Some states have introduced cash rebates or property tax refunds for those on fixed incomes. Disabled individuals and SSDI recipients. You'll see benefit updates tied not only to COLA, but also to state disability assistance expansions. The reality? Most people don't even know these programs exist. And that's why so much money goes unclaimed every single year. And get this, the IRS says billions of dollars are still sitting unclaimed right now. I'll show you how to find out if some of it belongs to you. Breaking down the numbers. Now let's talk specifics. The 2025 Social Security COLA, cost of living adjustment, has officially been set at 2.5%. That means if you're receiving $1,900 a month, your new payment will be around $1,950, about $50 more per month. Not life-changing, I know, especially with grocery and rent prices skyrocketing, but every little bit helps, and there's more behind the scenes. Because on top of that COLA increase, several states, including California, New Mexico, Colorado, and Virginia, have announced or are processing state-level relief payments of $200 to $1,500. Each state has different eligibility rules, but in most cases, retirees, low-income taxpayers, and seniors with dependents are prioritized. Then there's the IRS side, the unclaimed tax credits. If you didn't file your taxes in the last couple of years, you could still qualify for retroactive credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, the Recovery Rebate Credit, or even the Child Tax Credit, if you're caring for grandchildren. That's real money, waiting to be claimed. And here's the surprising part. Many seniors will automatically get some of this money without filing anything new. Let me explain how. How the payments actually work. The good news is that many of these payments are automatic for those already enrolled in programs like Social Security, SSI, SNAP, or Medicaid. If your direct deposit information is current with the SSA, your COLA increase and other benefit boosts should appear automatically when payments go out. And even if you're not sure what you qualify for, your state's Department of Revenue or Taxation site can help. Just search Your State Plus 2025 Relief Payments or Your State Plus Stimulus Programs. That's where you'll find official updates, deadlines, and application links. But here's what most people don't realize. Some of these programs are first come, first served. Once the funds run out, they're gone. So timing really matters. What you should do right now. Here's a quick action plan to make sure you don't miss out. Step 1. Visit your state's Department of Revenue website and check if new relief or tax rebate programs have been announced. Step 2. If you haven't filed your 2023 or 2024 taxes, do it now. Even if you don't owe anything. Those refundable credits could mean thousands of dollars. Step 3. Update your direct deposit info with the SSA or VA to avoid payment delays. Step 4. Sign up for state alerts so you're notified instantly when new relief programs launch. Step 5. If you're struggling right now, don't wait. Visit 21.org for immediate assistance or reach out to local churches and community groups offering emergency support. I know this economy has been brutal for so many of you. I read your comments, your stories, retirees who worked their whole lives and are now watching every dollar vanish at the grocery store or pharmacy counter. I get it, and that's why I'll never give you hype or false promises. Only the real information that can help you today. An extra $50 a month might not solve everything, but it could mean a few extra meals, a paid bill, or just a little more peace of mind. The key is to stay informed, because when you know what programs exist, you can claim what's rightfully yours. So don't lose hope. You've come this far, and together, we'll keep navigating these changes, one update at a time. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to ElyzeUSA, hit that bell, and check out the links below for state-by-state relief updates. Drop a comment with your state and your situation. I read every single one, and your stories often inspire my next videos. Remember, every dollar counts. Every bit of knowledge helps. You're not alone in this, and I'll see you in the next update. Stay safe, stay strong, and take care of yourselves.